Yeah. Hey people, so we are at this place called Chicha's in Lakdi Ka Pul, and if you were to take a look, yeah, so that's what it's just a very I'm come here with a friend, and this is some veg biryani that you could get for just like $2.99. So it's really, it's as good as a non-veg biryani really, and that's what. If we were to take a look at the menu card, it's like soon after this we'll be trying apricot trifle and truffle, and it's it's quite a someone who's into the catering business would be able to here that's what it is. Apricot this again is only for the weekends. Okay, it's a generous helping of cream, custard, apricot and soft cake served in a cup. So yeah, this looks nice. Masala cola and Khubani ka meetha and bengan. So this is how it looks, and I'm so glad I'm here. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.